In this video, you will learn how to multiply two-digit by one-digit numbers using two strategies, the traditional method and the area model partial products method. Let's try our first problem, 43 times 5. Let's start out with the traditional method. So for the traditional method, you line up your ones place and your tens place. So 5 and your 3 are lined up because those are in the ones place, and your 4 is in the tens place, but the second number does not have anything in the tens place, so there will be nothing under the 4. We start multiplying our ones place by our ones place, and then we will multiply our ones place by the tens place. So the first step, 5 times 3 is 15. And just like when you add, you're going to carry that 1 and put down your 5. Now we can multiply our ones place by our tens place. 5 times 4 is 20, and then we will add that 1, 21. So our final answer would be 215. And just to review, we multiplied our ones, and then we multiplied by tens. Now let's move on to the area model partial products method. Here we have our two numbers broken into our tens and ones. So on the top, we have 40 and 3 representing the number 43 because that 4 is worth 40 and the 3 is worth 3 because the 4 is in the tens place. 4 tens would be 40, and the 3 is in the ones place. 3 ones is just 3. It's like putting 43 in expanded form. And then we have 5 on the other side because it's just 5 ones. Now that we have broken apart our number, we can multiply using the area model. For the first box, we are going to multiply 40 times 5. So 4 times 5 is 20, and then we will add the 0 from 40. Now we will multiply 5 times 3, which is 15. And then to get your final answer, all you have to do is add up 200 plus 15, which would be 215. So you get the same answer whether you use the traditional method or the area model partial products method. 43 times 5 equals 215. Just to review, for that partial products method, we broke 43 into 40 and 3, putting it in expanded form. And we didn't have to break apart 5 because it was just ones. Let's try another example, 72 times 8, and we will start with the traditional method. Remember, we are going to multiply our ones by our ones and then our ones by our tens. So we will start with 8 times 2, which is 16. Carry your 1, put down your 6. And now we can do 8 times 7 is 56. Add that carried 1 for 57. You're going to put the whole 57 down because there's nowhere to carry the 5. So your answer, 576. Moving on to the area model partial products method, we have our 8 represented on the side, and we are breaking 72 into 70 for 7 tens and 2 for 2 ones. So we have that set up on our area model. Now we can start multiplying. So our first box is going to be the 8 times 70. 8 times 7 is 56. Add the 0 from 70, so 560. And now we can do 8 times 2, which is 16. Your last step will just to be adding 560 plus your 16, and your final answer will be 576, just like your answer to the traditional method. So 72 times 8 equals 576. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helped. Check out my Teaching Exchange classroom for worksheets and centers, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more videos.